Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently from your Facebook profile. For this, go to your Facebook account, then click on this hamburger menu here. Now go to pages, and here you can see all the pages you owned. Now click on the page you want to delete. Click on switch. Now what you have to do is click on this menu button here, scroll down, go to settings and privacy. Now go down until you can see access and control. Now click on this, temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your page. Choose delete page. Deleting your account is permanent, it's said here. Continue. You want to transfer your information, you can do it from here. If you don't want to do either of those, just click continue, give your password here and click continue. Your page will be deleted. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.